Constipation is a common problem that millions of people suffer from every day. It's no fun and can be downright painful, but it can be prevented. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll discuss juicing for constipation. Juice from fresh fruits and vegetables have the natural acids and enzymes needed for digestion. To prevent and relieve the pain caused by this constipation, why not drink your way to a better health by incorporating more fresh juice into your diet? What juices are best for constipation? The best juice for constipation is good old water. One of the main causes of constipation is dehydration. Water is the foundation of good health, and it helps to flush toxins from our body. If you're looking for a simple way to ease lingering constipation, drink lots of liquids daily. Fresh juices are beneficial for the digestion system and cause less inflammation in the body than other types of fruit drinks or sodas. There is no one answer to what kind of juice you should drink because everyone's body reacts differently to fruits and vegetables. Prune juice. Prune juice is one of the best known juices to improve constipation, and its unpleasant side effects like bloating, gas pains, and irritability. Apple juice. Like prunes, apples contain sorbitol. However, the effect on the gut is gentler, so apple juice is better for children with constipation. Pear juice. Pear juice is another great juice for constipation, as it has 4 times more sorbitol in it than apple juice. It is another great choice for children with constipation due to its sweeter taste. Citrus fruit juice. Lemon juice is a great way to prevent constipation. It's also high in vitamin C and other nutrients that help with digestion, so it can be used as a healthy form of detoxing too. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is a delicious and refreshing drink. However, it can help to relieve constipation. This is because of the bromelain in the pineapple juice, which is a natural enzyme that helps break down proteins. Fig juice. Another well-known go-to for constipation is the good old fig. Figs contain plenty of fibre. They also have enzymes that are known to speed up how fast waste travels along the bowel. The enzymes also help to relieve the pain of constipation. Spinach. Spinach is a mild-tasting vegetable that is packed full of nutrients that can help ease constipation. It also has lots of fibre, which we have already learned can help move things along. The delicate flavour means it can be added to many juices without altering the flavour. So that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.